County in west central Georgia, central Taylor County in west central Georgia, until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Carsonville, or 9 miles north of Butler, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs,
I was eating dinner, thank you.
Locations impacted include Butler, Reynolds, Blacksburg, Carsonville, Wesley Church, and Pickling Mill. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.
That's cool.